Do you guys want to go for like a drink or something?
Yeah.
Like,
She's cool. Yeah.
Should we go have a drink?
yeah. It's all about your energy, okay? When you have that amazing energy, that is so attractive to girls that, you know, it will really draw them in with minimal effort. But if you come in with an amazing aura about you, it is so potent and it's so attractive, and, you know, girls will really be drawn into you like a drug. Hey guys, it's Ian here. Now, I hope you've been applying the tips from my recent videos, and you better be getting yourself out there and taking that action. So I am back with yet another infield video for you today. Okay, but before we get to it though, before we get going, I just want to encourage you to sign up to our regular free newsletter at Karma Lifestyles, which is also known as the Karma Private Lounge. And in the newsletter, we will be sharing with you the very latest self-development insights, okay, the latest confidence tips, and there will be much more too. Now, you will also be the first to know about the latest offers and the latest deals from us at Karma Lifestyles. In fact, having said that, we've got a really good bundle deal coming up on Boxing Day on the 26th of December, but for a limited time only. But don't worry though, as we will reveal much more about this deal really soon, so definitely don't miss out on that. And we will also have a number of live events in 2020 where you will be able to meet us in real life and ask us your questions on meeting women. Now, it's lined up in the calendar with me, with Annabella, and with Emre too, so don't risk missing out on any of this. So definitely get yourself onto the newsletter, okay? Now, you can find the link to the newsletter in the video's description right down below, okay? And don't worry, in case you missed the link, in case you can't find that link, I'm also going to post a link in the comment section too, you know, in case you can't find it in the video's description. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I think it's about time that we watch the infield footage of me in action. So let's watch the footage and let's see how I get on with the girls. So stay tuned. Are you guys like Spanish? Because no, I thought you looked really nice.
Thank you.
What are you guys?
We're just walking around. I'm just showing her the lights because I've never seen the lights.
How have you been?
So I'm just trying to figure the way around.
You've never seen lights before?
I have seen lights.
I'm joking. I'm Ian, by the way. What are you guys doing now?
We just had dinner, and then I said I want to go see the lights because I've never seen the lights.
Okay. Do you guys want to go for like a drink or something?
Yeah.
Like,
She's cool. Yeah.
Should we go have a drink?
yeah. Your age range is very close.
1 year. 1 month.
It's like, I wouldn't be able to tell.
Who's older?
How old do you think I turned today?
None of them.
40? Do you know the Christmas songs?
Of course I know. Christmas.
I know them,
I'm here.
Yeah. Now that was just awesome, and they were really nice girls, and I was loving every bit of it. So what can we learn from this interaction, and you know, what can we learn from the way in which that I attracted them? Well, there's one word which pretty much sums it all up, and that's none other than energy. Now, it's all about your energy, okay? And this is what it comes down to in the end. And this is what I wanted to touch on today. And you see, it all comes back to, you know, and kind of relates to your mindset when you're going out and, you know, when you're meeting new women for the first time. Okay, and as you already know, the mindset, or, you know, it's sometimes known as the inner game, that directly ties into your energy, you know, when you're engaging with women for the first time. And that mindset and that inner game, that will kind of feed your energy, because guys with a solid mindset, or, you know, guys with a solid mindset will also exhibit a great energy. But honestly, you know, when you have that amazing energy, that is so attractive to girls that, you know, it will really draw them in with minimal effort. And it's really interesting because, look, I remember I recently had a guy, you know, comment on my last infield video where I cold approached a really attractive girl from the street, and it was the video on flirting, so check it out if you haven't done so already. So I get this really gorgeous, classy girl to stop so that I can engage with her, and the guy's comment was something on the lines of, you know, how on earth did you get her to stop? Like how do you always do it? Well, you see, look, there really is no magic to it. Now, there's no magic pill and there is no magic formula. It comes down to, you know, what I was saying a moment ago. It comes back to your energy and the energy that you display and that you emit the moment, you know, that you stop her in her tracks. Now, you see, when you come in with an amazing energy about you, you will get an amazing reaction, and you know, it also gives off that really good first impression, and she will stop to listen to you. Now, if you come in with, say, a bad energy, then, you know, if you come in and you're a bit unsure of yourself, then yeah, of course, you know, the girl will walk away and she'll reject you. It's normal. But if you come in with an amazing aura about you, it is so potent and it's so attractive, and you know, girls will really be drawn into you like a drug. And the very same holds true for those two girls in the footage today. Now, I know there will be guys out there who will immediately, you know, say something like, no, that is just impossible. Or they'll say something like, no, that is definitely staged, definitely. Well, not really. You know, it's just outside of your reality. It's beyond their reality. And so, you know, they immediately say that it's staged. And it's really funny because, you know, my cameraman, he gets into a rage whenever he hears that. His eyes really go blood red because he puts in a lot of effort to get that footage. So I really dare you to say that to my cameraman. We'll see, you know, we'll see how it goes down with him. But no, look, on a serious note, when we look back at the footage today, you know, the same holds true with them too. The reason why that they stop and the reason why that they engage and the reason why that they're attracted all comes down to my energy and that aura that I'm emitting throughout that interaction. Now, it's that very same energy that's so potent, which comes from your beliefs and it comes from that inner strength. So stop focusing and stop obsessing about the lines to use or the best pickup lines to use on a girl. It's always about those damn lines and, you know, what they're going to say and nothing else. I mean, look, there are no magic lines to use. So I'm sorry to break it to you. And if you want to have that amazing success and that consistency with women, you know, you need to really start working on your energy, okay? And you need to start developing that positive energy, you know, when you're interacting with those new women. Okay, so it's about time to get to the drawing board, and it's time to start making a plan and to start working on your mindset and on your inner beliefs. So create that amazing energy about yourself from the very first millisecond that you approach them, you know, which girls will not be able to resist when they're in your company. All right, guys, that is all for me today. I wanted to keep it short and sweet, so do let me know what your thoughts are about this, okay? And do put your comments right down below so, you know, we can all have a nice chat about it. Now, there's going to be plenty more action-packed footage to come from myself, from Annabella and from Emre too, so don't miss out. Okay, so today you were joined by Iain Miles, and I'll see you next time.